How to be an editor on CapCut. Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel, Tech It Simple. In this tutorial video, I will give you some ideas on how you can be an editor on CapCut. So, let's begin. Basically, to be an editor on CapCut, you just need to have constant practice on video editing skills. Now, let's see how we can edit the videos on CapCut. Firstly, make sure that your CapCut application is up to date. Now, let's just open the CapCut application. Now, you can select any one of the videos from the projects. Now, once you are here, what you can do is just constantly practice your editing skills. For example, you can use editing tools or different audio-video tools. In order to be an editor on CapCut, you can just tap on the edit option and here you will see different options in order to edit your video. Or you can tap on effects option and go to video effects, audio effects in order to edit your video. So, being an editor on CapCut is basically a skill. So, in order to be an editor, just play with different audio and video effects and different editing tools. So, you can be a perfect editor on CapCut. Once you constantly practice and enhance your editing skills, you will be a perfect editor over time in CapCut. So, that's all. These are some ideas on how you can be an editor on CapCut. I hope this tutorial helped you. Don't forget to drop a like and subscribe to my channel. We'll see you in the next video. Till then, stay tuned. Bye bye.